with Faith Inspirations, and in this video I'm going to share with you the supplies that you need to make these wonderful mini tags for our December 2023 mini challenge. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I'm super excited about this challenge this month because these are so cool, these little tags. I just love them. This one says, "On this day the world changed." This one says, "Our Savior's born." This one says, "Merry Christmas." This one is just beautiful. So is this one, also very beautiful. So I am just going to put these real quickly in our Faith Art Journal today, and we'll be doing this entire project together here in just a moment. When you go to the video that says let's do the December 2023 challenge together. So I'm just going to place these here so I have them. I can just grab them when I'm ready to use them for my gift giving this year, but it is in my art journal. So let me share with you all the supplies that you're going to need for this. So the first thing you're going to need is your Faith Inspirations December 2023 mini challenge kit. So this kit focuses on Isaiah chapter 7 verse 14, where it says, "Therefore the Lord himself will give you a sign. Behold, the virgin will conceive and bear a son, and shall call his name Emmanuel." This is very beautiful. I love this. For our challenge, it's going to be tags. So do anything tags this month. So it just says create a tag for your faith art this month. Also consider doing this challenge multiple times. Make tags to share with your friends, Bible study group, or to place on packages. Our colors this month are going to be Award Blue, Golden Sunset, and King's Gold. If you have the Arteza line, the 100 count, you'll be using A502, A301, and A104. Now the colors that I'm going to be using in the challenge, I don't have all these colors, so I'll be using Bright Blue, Light Mocha, and King's Gold. So use what you have. Don't feel like you have to go out and buy anything. So I have my Wordfetti that I'll be using, and I will print this on a white sticker sheet. It just makes it easier for me to apply. I'll also be using my tag template as part of this kit. So this is page 1, this is page 2. Our tag template kit includes standard sizes. So these are your standard size tags, but there's only one that's a non-standard size. Now what I've done with mine is I just put a clear sticker kind of over the top of this. It's called a lamination sheet. I just put it on the top of that, and then I just cut them out. So now I have all my sizes here on a ring, so I don't ever lose my template. So I can use these for any project moving forward. It doesn't have to be just for December 2023. So this is just what I did, and put my tags on a ring for myself. So I have that. And then I have the Modern Style Holy Family Ephemera set here, which is also very beautiful. And you can download this one in your library section. So your challenge is always going to be in your challenge section. So you go to faithinspirations.com, actually faith-inspirations.com. Hit the button that says, at the tab at the top that says challenge, and you'll be able to get the most recent challenge. You'll also be able to get previous month challenges if you're a member as well. Then if you want to follow along with me, you can, obviously you can do the challenge however you want. You just make tags. You don't need anything, just make tags. But if you want to do the exact kind of the same thing that I'm doing, then go ahead and grab your Modern Style Holy Family Ephemera set and print out the PDF as well. Now I'll be printing out mine PDF on white sticker paper. Again, just making it easy on myself to quickly make these tags as quick as possible. So I'll be using that. The only other thing I need is I grabbed some old cardstock that I had that kind of matched the colors. I just thought it would be easier. And then my son threw away, this was recycling, this bubbly soda, I guess it's sparkling water. And I just grabbed it to use because I think it makes a really nice thick substrate for my tags. It really kind of gives them a nice quality feel to them. And since we were just going to recycle it, I figured I would just recycle it with my art journal challenge this month. So I hope that you guys have a lot of fun with me as we make these tags. They're super easy to make, and I just can't wait for us to do these together. So go ahead and find the video that says December 2023 mini challenge. Let's do the challenge together. Find that video, and let's go ahead and get started.